Calamine lotion is a topical medication that can help relieve itching caused by minor skin irritations. It is usually made by mixing calamine, zinc oxide, glycerin and water with some other ingredients. There are different methods of preparing calamine lotion, such as using a stainless steel container or a solution of sodium citrate. You can watch some videos on how to prepare calamine lotion on YouTube, but be careful not to use it as a makeup primer as some TikTok users have done, because it may cause skin irritation or dryness. Calamine lotion has several benefits for the skin. It can help relieve itching caused by minor skin irritations, such as insect bites, chicken pox, shingles, poison ivy, oak, sumac and scabies. It can also help dry out oozing and weeping from these skin conditions. Some people also use calamine lotion to help manage acne, as it may have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties due to its zinc content. Calamine lotion may also heal sunburns, reduce dark spots and improve skin texture. To apply calamine lotion, you should follow these steps. 1. Make sure that the affected area is clean and dry. 2. Shake the bottle of calamine lotion well to mix the ingredients. 3. Apply the lotion to a cotton pad or a clean cloth. 4. Dab the wet cotton pad or cloth gently over the skin, avoiding the eyes, mouth, nose, genitals and anal area. 5. Wash your hands thoroughly after applying the lotion. 6. Repeat as needed until your symptoms improve or clear up. Do not use calamine lotion on large areas of skin or for more than a week without consulting your doctor. Calamine lotion is generally safe and well tolerated, but some people may experience side effects such as 1. Skin irritation, redness, swelling or new pain in the area where you applied the lotion. 2. Allergic reactions, such as rash, itching, hives and swelling, especially on your face, mouth, tongue and throat. 3. Tightness in your chest or throat, difficulty swallowing, talking or breathing, wheezing or hoarseness. 4. Blisters or peeling skin. 5. Severe dizziness or fever. If you have any of these symptoms after using calamine lotion, stop using it and seek medical attention immediately. Do not use calamine lotion if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. Do not ingest calamine lotion as it can be toxic.